Hello everyone, this is Chris with Accelerated Information Systems. I'm here to show you the new Laserfiche iPad app. So let's go right through a walkthrough. Laserfiche has actually released a sleek and stylish new iPad app with a lot of great functionality. You can see it here as the Laserfiche icon. We're going to go ahead and open this up, and you'll see that Laserfiche brings you right to our login screen. We have the same ability to remember who you are, similar to what you'd experience with your Windows logins. And as well, you can select multiple repositories should you have them and be able to browse your entire Laserfiche system right from this app. We're going to go ahead and log in, and after a couple seconds of being authenticated, you can see that we are right here to our main folder repository. Here you can see the AIS folder structure, and what I'm going to do is show you how easy it is to drill down into this structure. We can just click on our different folders and our different icons, and we are able to move forward through that as we would with a normal double click in our repository. You can see on the bottom here we have a breadcrumb trail so that we can click and instantly go back to the folder that we were looking at previously, as well as on the bottom right we have the ability to look at our documents in a couple of different ways. This is a beautiful thumbnail view, shows us the document type and a little bit of a preview, as well as the list folder view itself. So from here, within our documents, we can actually work with Excel files, PDFs, and Word documents. Let me go ahead and open a few of those for you. You can see that the document was downloaded, and here we have our 1, 2, and 3 sheets on this Excel file, as well as the ability to look at it as it was as an Excel file. We can do our normal zoom in and zoom out to see different fields or different information types, and we can also look at the full text of this document or the document itself. When working with a document, we also have the ability to open in other programs, such as an application that will allow you to edit Word, or Excel, or PowerPoint documents. We can also send this as an email or even add it to our favorites library right from within the document. As we go back to the folder, we can also view our PDF documents, which has downloaded, and now you can read this as a normal PDF brochure. Here's the contents of Laserfiche and all the different components that we offer with our program, such as workflow and second-to-none security. We can also open up Word documents, and you can see here that this is the second version, and this is an example of a Word document. Here we can just look at the text, and again, this would be the actual document itself, so if you have some rich formatting, this will come through and you will be able to see it. Now on each of these documents, we do have the ability to look at our metadata about them. So here we can actually, with the selection of the top left button, open up our metadata pane, and from here now we can add or remove individual fields, such as the author or a notes field, or we can go ahead and add a full template. And the templates, as you know in Laserfiche, are collections of our metadata. So we could go ahead and fill out these fields, save that record, and now that would be searchable information in Laserfiche. Another part to take note would be this is how you would participate in workflows with Laserfiche, by being able to do drop-down approvals or by manipulating the metadata to show that you've interacted with a document. We can also do an automatic naming and refiling of documents based on this metadata. Just contact your AISWW solution specialist and they'll share with you our solutions for automated filing and routing of documents. So as we go back, we can see that the folder structure, our icons, our documents, it's very easy to work with. So what about adding a new document to Laserfiche? Here we have our new document button where we can create a new folder or a new document. Folder creation is pretty straightforward, so let's create a new document. Now from this new document page, we have the option to use our camera or a photo that has already been loaded onto the iPad. So you can, with the camera, take a picture of a document and load it immediately as a new document. So let's say we did that, but for this presentation, we're going to select an existing image in our repository. So from here, we can now save and name our document by clicking on the information icon, and let's just call this AIS logo. And it tells you the location with the folder structure as well as the volume that you're going to be putting it into. You also have the ability here to do image processing, as you can with all Laserfiche products, to grab the text, to clean up some of the image errors that may have occurred, and to just generally make the image a lot more presentable. We're going to go ahead and save this document, and as you'll know, this will now upload process the document, and when it is complete, we can then go back to our main folder here for iPad. We can also shrink our libraries, which is our favorites list over here on the left, as well as our metadata panes by clicking the top left arrow. And now we can see that that document has been uploaded, and when we click to view it, it is in fact the document that we saved. So this is just a brief preview of the Laserfiche folder structure and browsing capabilities. Now some of you are going to ask, what about searching? Right here we have the Laserfiche search icon, or the magnifying glass, which is universal for search, and Laserfiche gives us three options to very quickly look for different document types or information types. We can search our text, our entry names, or our fields very quickly from here. So let's say that we wanted to just search our fields, and we were going to search for a marketing document. We can go ahead and put that document into the search, see where the metadata has brought up those search results, click on our document, and here we have the viewer on the right, and we have all of our metadata as it is properly filled out on the left. With anything else, we can zoom in and get very specific on the things that we're looking for to make this a very clean, easy, user-friendly experience for managing and working with your documents on the Laserfiche Mobile iPad app. So that concludes our quick demonstration. Thank you so much for taking this time with us. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to email or call us at info@aisww.com or check us out on the web at aisww.com. Thank you and have a great day.